Wonderful. So welcome to Forever Star India, ladies. I hope you guys are doing good and all set and excited to kickstart your journey to fulfill your dream of becoming a model or maybe an actor someday in the future. So all the best to everyone, and bifurcating about Forever Star India. Forever Star India is not just a beauty pageant. We are building a community, a space which is all about, women, and of course like-minded women who are really talented and passionate to create a mark for themselves in the society. So the audition process is going to be in two steps. पहला step होगा आपका introduction. I will be interacting with you one on one. So आपका introduction needs to be very short, very brief. It needs to be about you, your hobbies, and of course why you are here. Why do you want to win that crown of Miss and Mrs. India respectively? And we will be concluding on a very, very positive note by starting your ramp walk to kickstart your journey and your dream of becoming a model in the future. So all the best to each one of you. And of course, before we kickstart, we have a very, very special guest here with us today, Ankita Toshniwal, who is an FCR participant. She has had a journey of her own. She has been through, in your shoes. She's gone through all the rounds, and she's one of the city finalists that we had for this season. So, hi Ankita, how are you? अंकिता आप म्यूट पे हैं.
Hi Harry, how are you?
I am good. How are you?
I am fine. I missed you yesterday.
I missed you too, and I'm sure we're going to meet soon. So, all right, ladies. So, who better than a person जो आप ही के role में, who has been through your shoes, who's been there to relate with? Because a team member is a team member, but a co-participant is always more insightful to give an observation. So, Ankita, over to you. I would love for you to share a journey.
Yeah. So, hello everyone. My name is Ankita Toshniwal. I am a semi-qualified chartered accountant by profession and a model too, by the help of FCR by now, at least. All right. So my journey begins from the audition round, the same Harry Khosa, which you are seeing has taken my audition too. So I was really
Okay, I think Ankita got disconnected. Let's see. All right, Ankita might have to take it during the end because of some network issues. All right, ladies, and of course, to kickstart the process of the audition, I would, now call upon our jury member for the day. The one is going to give really, really insightful observations to your performances. Our director of Forever Star India, Ms. Kirti Chaudhary, our boss lady indeed, who has been nurturing this project since the past few months, and I'm sure she's going to, really motivate and kickstart your journey in the right format for you to ease yourself out and be your own self. Over to you, Kirti ma'am. Welcome on board.
Thank you, Harry, and a very good afternoon to all beautiful ladies sitting in black across the screen here. So I'm sure all of you are a little excited and a little bit nervous for today's audition, but let me just tell you, there's nothing to be nervous about. We are here to know more about you. हम सिर्फ आपके बारे में आज जानना चाहते हैं. We want to know what your aspirations are. We want to know what you are really passionate about. And also the most important thing that everybody must include in their introduction is that why are you here for today's audition? Why do you want to participate in Forever Miss and Forever Mrs. India 2021? And do not worry about your language. Please, if you're comfortable in English, keep the conversation in English. If you're comfortable in Hindi, you can give your introduction in Hindi as well. You do not need to seek anyone's permission for that. मतलब English और हिंदी के लिए permission नहीं लेनी है, लेकिन अगर कोई और language है तो please let us know, because even we are not such a pro. Harry understands Punjabi, even I understand Punjabi. So Punjabi is also, you're most welcome to speak in Punjabi as well. Yes, and be unapologetically you. Do not compare yourself with anyone else, because we have almost 8 candidates appearing for this audition in this batch. So you just have to feel that you are complete just the way you are. Yeah. So, and this platform, this is totally going to embrace your uniqueness, right? So be unapologetically you and let's start with the audition process. All the best.
Thank you, Kirti ma'am. Thank you so much. Let's hear it from the lovely ladies themselves who are sitting across the screen. I would request all of you to keep smiling. This is your time to shine on. See, I can see some, lovely smiles across the screen. Wonderful. So let's hear it from Tejaswini first. Hi, Tejaswini. How are you?
Hello.
Yeah, hi. I can hear
I'm
you.
audible. Okay. Hi, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. How are you, ma'am?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. I would request you to start with your introduction.
Okay, myself Tejaswini. I am from Hyderabad, Telangana. At present, I am doing my MTech, completed my BTech in Chemical Engineering CBIT, and also preparing for UPSC Civil Services. Why UPSC means I want to choose choose IFS as my option. So to represent my country in United Nations Council. And when come to my interest, it's karate, and at present I'm a blue belt holder, and I'm aiming for the black belt. Tomorrow I have the state championship tournament, and another interest is I'm good at current affairs and good at experimenting I like to know the things more and more. And why this start FSIA means I want to build my own self, increase my standards, and to know more about myself and where I can stand. That's
Okay, wonderfully put, Tejaswini. First of all, congratulations on being a blue belt. And I'm sure you're going to earn the title of the black belt really soon. And I would request you to start with your ramp walk. Let's see, how does that go?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Definitely.
It's visible, but can you lower your frame a little so that we can also see the leg movement?
Is this distance is fine? Or?
You need to lower the frame. So basically, you need to put your laptop's camera on a bit lower edge.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am?
Can you lower the frame? आप थोड़ा उसे slide in कर सकती हैं. Yeah, this will work. Tejaswini, I still can't see your leg movement. You need to lower the frame a little. Okay, this might work. Go ahead. No, Tejaswini, thank you so much. That would be it.
Clear, ma'am, or
No, the video was clear. The ramp walk, of course, needs a lot of polishing because right now you are just a beginner, and I'm sure the experts over here are going to take care of it in more detail. So all the best. It was lovely hearing from you, and I'll get back to you in a while. Let's hear it from Lali Santosh. Hi, Lali.
One doubt, please.
Yeah.
Can I leave or I have to stay?
No, you need to stay because we will be talking about the platform in the end. Yeah.
Thank you.
Hi, Lali. How are you? I hope I pronounced your name right.
How are you, ma'am?
I am good. I hope मैंने आपका नाम सही pronounce किया है.
हाँ, लाली संतोष.
Great. कैसी हैं आप लाली जी?
जी मैं अच्छी हूँ.
अपने बारे में कुछ और बताइए प्लीज.
हाँ, मेरा नाम लाली संतोष है. मैं उड़ीसा की कोरापुट से आई हूँ और मेरा पार्लर है और मैं बुटीक भी चलाती हूँ और मेरे बच्चे भी है 3 और मुझे सिंगिंग डांसिंग ये तो अच्छा ही लगता है, हर औरत को अच्छा ही लगता है।
Okay.
और कुकिंग आई लाइक, नो आई डोंट लाइक दिस कुकिंग, आई एम ईटिंग। और मैं इसलिए आना चाहती हूँ, हमारे कोरापुट में लेडीज को इतना चांस नहीं मिलता कि वो फेमस ऐसा ग्लैम दुनिया में जाए। मैं चाहती हूँ, जाना चाहती हूँ, फेमस किसको नहीं चाहिए, मुझे भी चाहिए। इसलिए आना चाहती हूँ। सो मैं आई बेस्ट ट्राई, आई विल।
Wonderful.
अभी
लाली,
नर्वस,
हाँ जी।
फर्स्ट टाइम मैं तो नर्वस हो रही हूँ।
अरे कोई बात नहीं,
चलो लेना।
मैं भी बहुत नर्वस हूँ, बट मैं शो नहीं कर सकती। आई एम ऑल्सो टॉकिंग टू एवरीवन फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम ना, सो इट्स ओके, नॉट एन इशू। लव्ड द ऑनेस्टी, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा दैट यू आर आउट एंड आउट कि मुझे फेमस होना है, किसको नहीं होना है, राइट? बॉटम लाइन तो हमें फेमस अप्रिशिएट दैट अ लॉट, and I am sure that your positivity is going to add a lot of value to the platform. आपकी रामबाव के साथ शुरू करें? Great.
बिना म्यूजिक होगा ना मैम, या फिर म्यूजिक?
Thank you, Lali. Thank you so much. अभी बहुत मेहनत करनी है, but I'm sure that you are very, very passionate and आप करेंगी वो मेहनत. So all the best. It was lovely hearing from you. You can sit back comfortably. I'll be getting back to you in a while. Let's hear it from Chetna. Hi, Chetna. How are you?
Hi, ma'am. I'm good. Fine. Thank you.
Great. Can I hear something more about you, please?
Yeah, sure. First of all, very good evening to all of you. I'm Mrs. Chetna Sangar, daughter of Shobha.
Okay, I think her video got stuck. Chetna, if you can hear me, your video is stuck. I think due to some network issue.
I want to show my potential.
Hi, Chetna. आपका वीडियो रुक गया था बीच में due to some network issue. So can you restart?
Yeah. Sure. Very good evening, all of you. I'm Mrs. Chetna Surendra Singh Sangar. I have done my master's in electronics engineering. I am working as assistant professor in electronics engineering department and a dean administration of the college. And I have two daughters, Harleen Kaur Sangar and Harpreet Kaur Sangar. I want to participate. Wants to me participate because she wants to go there. So she said, Mama, you will guide me better than anyone else. So because of my daughter, Harleen Kaur, I'm participating in this event. So that is my inspiration.
Okay, wonderful. I love the connection that goes back to your family. And I would, there's one thing that I would like you to highlight more. What are your hobbies? आपने अपनी डॉटर के बारे में बताया, अपनी फैमिली के बारे में बताया, but where is the चेतना की हॉबीज क्या हैं?
Yeah, my hobbies are I like to play with kids. I like to explore the new things, new places, and more I like is the learning, because as a teacher's profession, I'm in a teaching profession, so I like to learn new things. So I'm trying every day. I'm trying new things. That is my biggest hobby.
Wonderful, wonderful, Chetna. That was very beautifully put. And I would request you to start with your ramp walk.
Sure. Just a second. Is this visible properly?
Yes, I think that would be visible. You can start.
Is it okay?
Yes, yes, you can sit back. Thank you, Chetna. The walk was a little casual, but I'm sure the experts are going to take over and you're going to fulfill the dream of your daughter and yours as well. Thank you. And it was lovely hearing from you. I'll move forward to Aarti. Hi, Aarti.
Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you. How are you?
Yes, fine, madam.
Please
मेरा नाम आरती परदेसी है.
हाँ जी.
मेरा इसमें पार्टिसिपेट करना यही ड्रीम था और वो आज कंप्लीट हो गया. ये ऑडिशन मैं दे रही हूँ तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. अगर मैं जीतू भी ना तो भी चलेगा, सिर्फ मुझे पार्टिसिपेट करना है. वही बहुत बड़ा ड्रीम था मेरे लिए और आज ये कंप्लीट हो गया. ये
नहीं, अभी तो आपकी शुरुआत है, अभी तो बहुत आगे जाना है. अब अभी से ऐसे
मैंने MBA कंप्लीट किया है और अभी CET LLB का CET देने वाली हूँ.
ओके.
बाकी मेरे एक बच्चे है 7 साल की. बाकी घर में हमारे जॉब करना अलाउड नहीं है तो MBA करके भी मैं जॉब को सद में नहीं हूँ. सिर्फ क्वालिफिकेशन एजुकेशन कर सकते हैं, बाकी कुछ नहीं.
ओके, सो आरती जी आपकी हॉबीज क्या क्या हैं? व्हाट डू यू एंजॉय डूइंग?
मेरा सबसे प्यारा हॉबीज है रीडिंग करना. जो भी बुक्स रहता है वो सब मैं रीडिंग बहुत अच्छा से कर लेती हूँ.
ओके, वंडरफुल. सो अगर आप ये क्राउन जीतती हैं उसके बाद क्या? डू यू वांट टू परस्यू मॉडलिंग या आपको एक्टिंग करने का भी शौक है?
सॉरी.
आप अगर आप जीतती हैं, सपोज यू नो यू विन द क्राउन, यू बिकम मिसेस इंडिया फॉर दैट मैटर, टेक फॉरवर्ड.
मैं ये ड्रीम देखा भी नहीं है कि मैं क्राउन जीत सकती हूँ.
अरे क्यों? सी आज आपने पहला स्टेप तो ले लिया है. अगर आप ऑडिशन ले सकती हैं तो आप कुछ भी कर सकती हैं.
वो तो है लेकिन इतना कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल मुझ में नहीं है अभी.
कोई बात नहीं, धीरे-धीरे आ जाएगा. Then you will be like, I will have to do it. Don't worry, you don't have to underestimate yourself. You are a mother, you handle a family. That is more than enough to prove your worth. So
Yes.
thank you so much. बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके. And I'm sure you're going to prove yourself really soon. Thank you. And let's have your ramp walk then.
Yes, sir. Okay, madam.
Yes, you can start.
Thank you, madam. इससे पहले भी मैंने पार्टिसिपेट किया था जो कि सीजन मॉल में था.
ओके, सो कोई बात नहीं. आज आपने मिसेस इंडिया वाला सपना पूरा कर लिया है and you've started the dream. So all the best and I'm really looking forward to see you in the training sessions. Let's hear it from Pubali. Hi, I hope I pronounced your name right.
Yeah, absolutely. It's Pubali.
Okay, hi, how are you?
Yeah, I'm very good and very excited. How are you?
I am good too. I could see your excitement through the screen. You have been smiling all the while. I just have to compliment you. Look beautiful. I love the way you prepped yourself up. So let's
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Pubali, go ahead.
Yeah. First of all, a very good afternoon to everyone. Hello, I am Pubali. I am from Chandanagar, Hubli, West Bengal. So by profession, I am a software engineer and I am currently working in a multinational company in Kolkata. I am also a national level swimmer and a trained dancer. And I love animals a lot and my biggest dream is to build a shelter for them. So I believe we are all here for a purpose and that is my purpose for this society, I believe. And so my hobbies are dancing, all kind of sports I'm very interested, and also I like learning new things is a very excitement thing for me. So I am here when I see this ad, so I don't think twice. So I am sure I will gonna learn a lot of new things from here. So that is one reason, and another reason is I have struggled a lot in my life. So my marital status is divorced, so I have faced a lot of things like domestic violence and everything, and I just broke down. And after that also I pulled myself up and I believe I will like prove my potential here. So I want to be a public speaker, and the most thing I learned from my journey that you need, when you're down, you need someone who can inspire you, who can give the courage to like prove yourself again and build yourself together again. So I want to be a public speaker. So for that, I think I have to build my own identity. So I think this platform is a great opportunity for me to build that. So that is the primary reason. And another reason is, for my childhood dream was start my career as model, but I go in different way and become a software engineer. Still, I think it's never late to make your dream come true. So I want to start that again and start a freelance model as a freelance model. So these are the two main reasons. So I am here, and of course I want to learn a lot of new things, and very excited about that.
Thank you, Pubali. Loved your energy. You know, you have a very, very positive vibe, and you are very clear on why you are here. Having two primary reasons is more than enough, and I would request you to start with your rap walk.
Yeah, just give me a minute. I have to like set my. Ma'am, is it okay? Ma'am, is it okay?
Yes, Pubali, it's perfectly fine. Please take a seat.
Thank you.
So yes, you are looking lovely, and you have a very positive vibe to your personality. You know, since we started this audition, you have been smiling all this while. Yes. So and even now you're smiling.
I want to learn a lot of new things from you. Actually, I want to grow my personality more. Like, I want to be positive, because I face a lot of things, and that is one thing I learned, that you have to be positive. Otherwise, you have to build your like. No one else can
Certainly,
help. You are not
certainly, Pubali, you are. That's what I'm saying, that you're already looking so positive. The way you're smiling, the way you're talking, you have gone through a lot of things in life, I'm sure. Yes, but you have come out more stronger. And look at you, you're looking so beautiful. Your hair is looking lovely, and you know, when you were walking, you were confident. ठीक है, तो इतना कुछ होने के बाद, you know, just maintaining yourself, keeping your calm, and you know, talking to so many strangers about it, right? So that's something you know, not everyone can do. So hats off to you for doing that, and hats off to you for coming out stronger and inspiring so many women. Trust me, when you come on this platform and when you talk to women across the country, I mean, you can see we have candidates from different parts of the country, and how each and every person is different, right? But जब आप अपनी मुश्किलों से, challenges से आगे बढ़ते हो, और फिर आप सबको ये चीज शेयर करते हो, and you know, looking at you when you say मैं swimming भी करती हूँ, और आगे मैं बढ़ना चाहती हूँ और बहुत कुछ करना चाहती हूँ, तो उससे एक बहुत positive message जाता है that you wish to be somewhere, you wish to make a difference. Right, so all the best from my side, and certainly I'm going to see for the training.
That means a lot.
आपका walk अच्छा था, थोड़ा सा your poses were really nice. जैसे आप pose कर रहे थे, it was almost perfect, right? But when you were walking, उसमें हम थोड़ा सा improve कर सकते हैं. But that will be done gradually. Yeah.
Thank you
All
so
right.
much.
Okay, let's hear it from Kajal. Hi, Kajal.
हाय मैम,
How are you?
आई एम गुड। आप बताइए कैसी हैं आप?
मैं भी बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया पूछने के लिए। प्लीज अपने बारे में कुछ और बताइए।
मैम मेरा नाम काजल मिश्रा है, मैं बस्ती से बिलोंग करती हूँ, बट करेंटली मैं लखनऊ रहती हूँ। बीएससी नर्सिंग की स्टूडेंट हूँ, फोर्थ ईयर की, और मैं साथ में जॉब भी करती हूँ। मेरी हॉबी है डांसिंग, सिंगिंग एंड एक्टिंग, मॉडलिंग। मॉडलिंग मेरा हॉबी था सही कि मेरे को मॉडलिंग लाइन में
ओके काजल, थैंक यू सो मच। आई लव आपने कितना क्रिस्प और शॉर्ट तरीके से अपना सारा स्टोरी बता दिया एंड व्हाई यू आर हियर ऑफ कोर्स। सो आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट यू टू स्टार्ट विद योर रैंप वॉक।
ओके
काजल, आपका वीडियो स्टक है, so I can't see you moving or in fact talking also. If you could fix your network.
ओके मैम।
Yeah, okay. Thank you, Kajal. Thank you. Your work is, it was confident, but I'm sure the experts are going to polish it even better. So thank you. And let's hear it from Anjali. Hi, Anjali. How are you? Anjali, can you hear me?
Hi. Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. कैसी हैं आप?
मैं ठीक हूँ।
ग्रेट। अपने बारे में कुछ और बताइए प्लीज। सबसे पहले तो बहुत ही खूबसूरत लग रही हैं। You look very well put up, and I would request you to start with the introduction.
My name is Anjali. I am a 27-year-old. मैं एक हाउस वाइफ हूँ। मेरा एक बेबी है 7 years का, और जैसे आप लोगों ने अपॉर्चुनिटी दिया है, और बचपन से मेरा सपना था कि कुछ करना है मॉडलिंग लाइन में, एक्टिंग करने का मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा क्रेज है। तो घर वाले भी सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं अभी फिलहाल, तो इसलिए मैं आप लोग ने अपॉर्चुनिटी दिया तो मैं सोची क्यों ना ट्राई किया जाए।
I love the honesty there, Anjali, and you have a lovely smile, and you do not look like a mother of a 7-year-old at all. I must say that you do not really look a mother at all. So you have maintained yourself really well. Now tell me, what are your hobbies apart from, of course, acting and modeling? वो तो है ही. Is there anything else that you enjoy?
Yes, riding, swimming, ड्राइविंग, और फिर स्केटिंग, साइकिलिंग, मतलब सब चीज़ मुझे करने में बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आता है। मुझे नई नई चीज़ें सीखना, नए लोगों से मिलना बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है। नए कपड़े पहनना, मतलब अलग अलग स्टाइल के, अलग अलग टाइप्स के, जिसमें मैं अच्छी लगूँ, तो वो सब मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है। नई नई चीज़ें सीखना मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है।
Okay, Anjali, makes complete sense, and it shows with your confidence. I would request you to start with your ramp walk.
Yes, sure. Just a minute.
Thank you, Anjali. Thank you so much. You are the only participant who is wearing the right kind of heels today, stilettos, which is the one necessary for a ramp walk. So I'm sure it shows your sincerity and commitment. And I'm really looking forward to see you in the training sessions. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
All right. So, all right, ladies, this brings us to the end. Thank you so much for hearing us out and telling us about your journeys, about your individualities. I am sure अब तक आप लोगों ने एक चीज realize कर ली होगी that you guys are so different from each other. But एक चीज है जो आप सब में बहुत common है, वो है the intention to create a unique identity for yourself. अपनी एक अलग पहचान बनाना, you know, उसके डायरेक्शंस अलग अलग हो सकते हैं, मॉडलिंग के थ्रू, एक्टिंग के थ्रू, या फॉर दैट मैटर जस्ट द ग्लैमर वर्ल्ड. द डायरेक्शंस कुड बी डिफरेंट, बट इट ब्रिंग्स यू टू वन बॉटम लाइन ऑफ वांटिंग टू क्रिएट अ यूनिक आइडेंटिटी फॉर योरसेल्फ. So that is what exactly we are looking for. Congratulations on completing your first step into the journey of Forever Star India. It has been a beautiful experience to get to know you. You all are interesting, unique individuals, and I'm sure you're going to make it great into the future. And of course, जैसे आप लोगों ने हमें अपने बारे में बताया, now it's time for us to talk about the platform in detail. But before that, I need Ankita to wind up. So over to you, Ankita. You can take over now. No, Ankita, you are not. Your voice is breaking. I think you are having a major network issue. Okay. So moving on, all right, post you, of course, ab audition ke baad kya? Within 24 to 48 hours, you will be receiving an audition report. Now, why is this audition report important? Because I am sure, aaj subah aap uthe, you gathered a lot of confidence, courage to, you know, chose your outfit, chose your makeup, and dressed up for the entire process. So it shows a sincerity, an effort towards the pageant. And that needs to be returned, right? हर चीज का एक output आना important है to understand where you stand in the journey. To ensure the same thing, we will be sending out an audition report जो कि आप सबको मिलेगी, no matter if you get selected or not selected. The idea behind the audition report is that even अगर आप नहीं select होते हैं, आपको जानने का पूरा हक है that what were the potential reasons जहाँ पे आप आगे के लिए काम कर सकें. एंड अगर आप सिलेक्ट भी होते हैं तो भी आपके लिए ये आइडिया होना जरूरी है, बिकॉज किसी भी जर्नी को शुरुआत करने से पहले यू नीड टू नो वेयर यू स्टैंड, व्हाट आर योर वीक पॉइंट्स, व्हाट आर योर हाई पॉइंट्स. आई कैन सी सम येस अक्रॉस द स्क्रीन. आई एम श्योर आप लोगों को मेरी बात समझ आ रही है. So that is why we will be sending it out and it will act like a certificate, a memory, ताकि जो आपका सपना था उसकी शुरुआत हम यहीं से कर पाएं, ताकि आप you can always hold it close to your heart that I did audition for Miss India and look where I am right now. So yes, and post that what happens next is, of course, you become a part of our FCR community. Now again, re-emphasizing the fact ये सिर्फ एक beauty pageant नहीं है. Forever Star India is building a community, a space where we are just looking for talented, interesting, passionate individuals who want to create a mark for themselves. And on the same lines, आप में से कितने लोगों ने अपना नाम कभी Google किया है? You can raise your hand if you have. Like Google पे अपना नाम search किया है कभी? Okay. So I'm sure, एक potential जो idea होता है that, you can always work things out कि मेरे नाम के बहुत सारे लोग हैं, right? You find numerous people of your name eventually on Google. But what if I tell you, once your profile gets created on FCR, eventually, directly, आपका नाम top Google ranking पे show होगा as an FCR participant. So आपकी जो एक unique पहचान बनाने की इच्छा है वो तो वहीं से check out हो गई, right? Having your name on the top of Google ranking as a certified FCR participant is a huge deal, and each of you will be receiving it. And on the same lines, you will be receiving numerous business opportunities and otherwise too, because we are just looking for your potential talent. So when some of you mentioned you are into makeup, we might collaborate with you agle saal as a makeup trainer for our future participants, our season 2 participants. And on the same lines, if for example, Tejaswini is into karate, we might collaborate with her as a fitness expert next year. So it's not just the criteria of a beauty pageant that we are looking for. We are just looking for potential people. And we want to respect the potential talents that you have, because that is what makes you unique, right? हम लोग एक फिट इन में आने की बजाय अलग-अलग talents को respect करते हैं, ताकि एक, you are able to grow individually for that matter. And of course, for the actors in you, we will be launching our own OTT platform soon. I'm sure everybody is aware of OTT. Netflix, Amazon, Hotstar has been the surviving keys in these COVID times. So imagine getting a chance to audition for a digital show directly onto the same space, you know, for an actor, for a playback singer, choreographer, all of these opportunities directly. Because I'm sure you would understand, आज के time पे women का safe space into the glamour world is very difficult. Because सबसे पहले चीज जो हमारे दिमाग में आती है एक audition का वो भी देख के कि कहीं ये fake तो नहीं है. We need to be double sure, right? अपने details देने से पहले. So imagine getting to associate yourself for a huge opportunity like acting, script writing, all of this without having to worry about the background of the pageant. So that's, you know, pretty much it. There will be many other benefits like receiving a unique hard copy certificate and all of the other details. And I'm sure, you know, before, of course, my director takes over to talk about the detail, I think Ankita is able to connect now. So let's try hearing it from her. Ankita, are you here with us?
Yes, I am here. Can you hear me?
And now I can hear you. You can take over.
All right, finally. All right. Congratulations, everybody, first of all, for making your first step towards your journey to FCR. Even I started from here only, and today I'm standing over here, real confident with the help of 150 plus experts trained me that I can speak up. I can do public speaking, I can do ramp walk, everything which is required for a model. So in that sequence, I would like to introduce myself that I am Ankita Toshniwal, a semi-qualified chartered accountant by profession and a model. With the help of FCR, I have gained a lot of confidence. I have learned a lot of technicalities in terms of makeup, in terms of ramp walk, everything. So I would just like to thank everybody out there in the FCR team for having me over here and giving me this opportunity. And this is a once in a lifetime opportunity, people. Just don't waste it. Put your 100% in it and just buckle up. Girls, this is the time when you can show your confidence and your talent to the world. So on this note, I would like to thank FCR team and would like to see you forward in the further training sessions and further rounds. All right.
Thank you so much.
One last thing I would like to say, out with my personal favorite, like whatever you never had, you have to do something that you never did. Then only you'll have what you never had. Okay. So I hope that makes sense. And thank you so much, FCR team, and all the participants, all the very best for your further journey ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, Ankita. Thank you so much. Now, of course, who better than the director of Forever Star India to take over and talk about the platform and give you the insights to the grand finale. Because I'm sure eventually आप लोग वो crown जीतना चाहते हैं, and जैसे लाली जी ने बहुत ही proudly कहा था, हमें तो famous होना है. So, you know, we got to be there and we got to reach there. So over to you, Kirti ma'am. She would be talking about the platform.
Thank you. गाड़ी में रख दीजिए. Thank you so much, Harry, and a very good evening to everyone once again. I'm sure अब आप थोड़ा सा light feel कर रहे हैं. You're feeling more relaxed now that you're done with your auditions, done and dusted, huh? So now the tension for audition report starts in. Okay, so let me just tell you that what is going to happen after you receive your audition report, right? Harry has explained to all of you very beautifully that what are the benefits and, you know, how are we going to move ahead with the process. But let me just tell you, as soon as you receive your audition report card, irrespective of your selection or non-selection, whether you're selected or not selected, you will be receiving the audition report. But once you are selected for Forever Miss or Forever Mrs. India 2021, you will be completing your participation process, and post that we will instantly be starting with your training and grooming sessions, right? So when I say that, you know, you are not from this background, do not worry, you know, we are going to train you, we are going to groom you. So we have a team of 150 plus experts here on this platform of Forever Star India who are going to train you in becoming the best version of yourself. Right? Like I say that most of you are not from this background, you're not from a modeling background, you've never been a part of any beauty pageant. So firstly, we'll be grooming you. Gradually, you will be appearing for your talent rounds. And the third step, we will be selecting city winners, then the state winners, and then of course the national winners from every city. These are the steps that we are going to follow. Now, how are we going to do these training sessions? Just like you're sitting across the screen right now, we will be taking up the virtual training and grooming sessions. And just like the other participants, Ankita has been speaking to you for a while now, right? So she has been attending these training sessions virtually and everything has been going on so well. But let me just tell you कि आपकी crowning भी virtually नहीं होगी. Only your training and grooming is virtual. But as soon as we select the city and the state winners, you will be coming all the way to Jaipur, Rajasthan at Hotel Marriott, where the grand finale will happen. It will be a 4-day event wherein gradually we'll be crowning the city winners, state winners, and then of course the national winners. What after this? After this also, this association is going to be there. As said by Harry, we are giving you a lifetime membership of Forever Star India community, right? And how are we actually going to help you, right? When you say that, I love to speak, I want to be a motivational speaker, I want to be a singer, I want to be a model, I want to be an actor. So that's how we are going to, judge you on the basis of your progress, your capability, right? So gradually when you attend these training sessions, the mentors, the trainers are going to judge you, right? They will understand in a better way that what are the areas which need to be worked upon. For example, when you're low on confidence, when your presentation skills are a little weak, so an image consultant is going to give you specialized trainings. If we understand that, you need to work on your ramp walk, then a ramp walk expert is going to give you personalized trainings, right? So it is very gradual. There's only one thing that we need from your side, that is your inputs. You have to give your time and inputs. Once or twice a week, these training sessions will happen on the basis of the feasibility of your time. If you say, I'm free in the mornings, we will be keeping your sessions in the mornings. If you say I'm free in the evenings, then we will be keeping the sessions in the evenings. That's how it is. And gradually, you never know, we might just collaborate with you as one of our official trainers. You never know, you might just get your first break on our OTT platform as an actor, as a script writer, or as a choreographer, right? So there are numerous opportunities, numerous possibilities that you'll find here on this platform. Moreover, all of us are going to grow with each other. We are going to inspire each other. We are going to motivate each other gradually with these sessions. In order to complete the participation process, there is a minimal fee of 4,000 plus GST that all of you as participants will have to pay. This fee includes your training and grooming sessions and your lifetime membership on this platform. यानी कि जितनी भी चीजें मैंने अभी तक बोली हैं, for that there is a minimal fee that is 4,000 plus GST. Please take a screenshot of our social media handles, which Harry has mentioned in the chat box. Why so? Because see, before becoming a member of this huge community, you must understand, you must do your thorough research that how are we doing it, right? How are we maintaining this community? How are we training you, right? So for that, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, subscribe to our YouTube channels. And if you want to get an idea that how are we doing these trainings virtually, what kind of trainers do we have on board, then please go through our YouTube channel. We have uploaded everything there, starting from the the audition videos. Like this video is also going to be uploaded on our YouTube. Secondly, as soon as we start with your introductory sessions, ramp walk sessions, so everything you'll find there in one place, right? So I hope I've made myself pretty much clear. Anything that you do not understand, anything that you would want to know, please feel free to ask us any questions. And also, Ankita, I have been wanting to say this. You're looking lovely. Your makeup is looking lovely, and your hair is looking really nice. Yeah, so you're looking very nice today.
Thank you so much. It is your words, which I remember. I'll keep remembering it.
Certainly, certainly.
Thank
All
you.
right.
Thank you so much.
All right, thank you, ladies. It was lovely hearing from each one of you. I have shared the details into the chat box. Make sure you guys take a screenshot and we shall meet you soon. Bye-bye. Have a lovely evening ahead.